Hello, happy Memorial Day. This is just a message out to all my Facebook friends, family, and some of my subscribers just to say hello, happy Memorial Day. I hope you actually take some time and enjoy it with your friends and your family, the people that you love, and just really enjoy spending time with your family and having that time come around again. It's almost summertime, it's almost warm to go swimming and do all the things that we love to do in summer. But I just wanted to say hello to everyone, and I hope that you really enjoy the time with your family and your friends, and also remember those that aren't with us anymore, whether they be, in the armed services, overseas. We love you and we miss you, soldiers. Come home safely. And also, just family and friends that aren't here that haven't been blessed to enjoy this new year with us. We'd like to remember them as well. So have a safe, happy holiday. Please remember to be safe out there. It's not worth, you know, getting out behind the wheel and, just dealing with that. Just have a safe holiday. And I hope to get to see all of you soon or talk to you soon on Facebook in the near future. Have a great weekend and love you guys. And remember, you can make the best part of yourself available anytime you want. In this Memorial Day, just keep in mind that you can actually change your life. So be confident in what you can do. Have a great one. Bye bye.